Opposition leader Mark Golding is proposing a digital overhaul of Jamaica's tax system. Making his contribution to the 2026-2027 budget debate in the House of Representatives, he also criticized the Ministry of Labor and Social Security's ROOFs program and rejected the government's explanation for ending the decades-old Cuban Medical Assistance Program. The opposition leader says the government should pursue a structural integrated system for tax compliance to reduce revenue leakages and generate up to $70 billion annually without increasing tax rates.
Many countries have addressed this, not by raising rates, but by redesigning the tax architecture. Electronic invoicing systems are now standard across much of Latin America and parts of Europe and Asia, requiring invoices to be digitally validated in near real time. Every transaction is time-stamped. Every input credit must match a verified supplier invoice. Returns are auto-populated from validated data. That shift is transformative. It moves the system from post-event enforcement to transaction-level verification.
He notes inconsistencies with the collection of income tax, set to earn the government $342 billion this fiscal year.
A modern compliance system would automatically link income tax declarations to GCT turnover data, customs import declarations, payroll filings, beneficial ownership records, director compliance histories, and municipal corporation approvals of projects and so on.
He warns that the combined effects of post-hurricane hardship, ongoing global tensions, and new taxes could create more challenges for Jamaicans. Meanwhile, Mr. Golding also took issue with the government's decision to end the decades-old Cuban Medical Assistance Program, describing the move as unconvincing.
If you operate, Prime Minister, you operate in fora, which I don't. So there may be things that you're aware of that I am not. But before you make a move like that, you have to put other things in place. You can't terminate an agreement that the Jamaican people are relying on and have nothing in place. I'm scrambling around while people are suffering.